to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI Cubi 5 12M mini PC. So friend, MSI announced the Cubi 5 12M business and productivity PC featuring a miniature chassis, powerful processor, exclusive software and Thunderbolt 4, and the Cubi 5 12M is designed with efficiency and productivity. So friend, it is a mini PC less than 0.7 liters in size with limitless potential for business needs, and it provides a space-saving design that can tidy up tasks, and the robust hardware and software configuration available will support you the multitask, and equipping up to a 12th generation Intel Core i7 processor with 10 cores and Iris Xe graphics enable user to edit graphics and work with multiple programs smoothly and faster than previous generation, and the robust selection of IO ports include one HDMI-out and one DP-out and one Thunderbolt 4, which supports up to 40 GB transfer speed and display output up to 8K resolution, and QB5 can support 3 displays at the same time so user can view different programs in great detail stimulously, and one LAN port for the internet and other one for the intranet. The dual LAN design improves the security of your confidential business document, and this is further fortified with TPS 2.0 encryption technology along with help of MSI Cloud Center, and MSI Cloud Center allow you to transfer your data between the QB5 and your mobile phone when in the same domain, ensuring photos and data are transferred safely. And the QB5 provides a safer environment for your business so you will not have to worry about information security problems, and with all the powerful hardware supporting your work, the MSI Center software can help you configure your CPU and LAN resources to set up priorities and make good use of the all resources based on your needs. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.